So by special request and popular demand, my maverick take on Liverpool losing the Champions League final. Hot one love to Real Madrid. Now, first of all, me never know so much people hate Liverpool. I mean, most of them are shameless and bad mind Man United fans. Plus, some Pep Guardiola fanatics who are happy to say clap, clap, because Pep did clap. That aside though, all who thought Liverpool were red-hot favorites and were going to steamroll Real Madrid in the Champions League final need to go back to kindergarten football school. Real Madrid has played 17 Champions League finals and won 14. That is an 80-yard win percentage. So it no matter who put on those Real Madrid shirts, they were never going to be easy to beat in the Champions League final. Liverpool played some ball, yes, but the Madrid goalkeeper, Courtois, was brilliant. Liverpool had some 20-yard shots, 9 on target, and did not score. Madrid had 2 shots on target and 1 score. My lesson from this defeat is that Liverpool must never try that quadruple thing again. Leave it alone. Concentrate on the league and the Champions League. Plus, we need a proper number 9. Other than that, we will be fine. You never walk alone.